Welcome to this video demonstration of Aero Atlas. Aero Atlas has been developed by Kofuwarola Ogunleye, Kai Yi, Valdis Bakemanis, Vinay Patel, and Willamar. All of us come from different backgrounds, and together through North Coders have developed Aero Atlas in 10 days with no prior experience working in mobile application development. We're excited to show you the results of our hard work. The idea for Aero Atlas came from our individual experiences and shared joy for traveling. It was quickly established that a common frustration between us was efficiently finding the most cost-effective flights. Multiple tabs open on a web browser and constantly having to switch back and forth meant our user experience when booking flights was both poor and exhausting. Aero Atlas was made to solve this problem, to become a hub where users can easily search for their ideal flights through a user-friendly mobile application experience.
Upon opening Aero Atlas, users are presented with a list of destination cities they may wish to fly to. There is a navigation bar at the bottom of the home page that represents 3 different core features that the user can select. The first icon shown is the homepage button. This will allow users to return to the current page if they are elsewhere in the app. The second icon, featuring a question mark, indicates a randomizer page. This is a fun feature included in Aero Atlas, whereby users unsure of a destination they would like to fly to can choose to have the app select a destination for them. The final icon on the navigation bar is the profile page icon. This feature will be explored further along in this demo, but as a quick glimpse, users can access their user details and recent purchases when they select this icon after logging into Aero Atlas. Let's take a look at the main user flow of Aero Atlas. As previously mentioned, upon opening the app, users are presented with the homepage screen, showcasing a list of destination cities. These can be filtered using the search bar at the top of the screen. Should users wish to know more about a city, they can tap on the city of their choice and will be directed to a new, expanded view of that city on the city page. On the city page, the user is presented with further details of their chosen city, including local attractions to help better inform them of what the city offers, and ultimately, whether they would want to book a flight to that destination. In this instance, for London, we can see that Aero Atlas has populated Big Ben, the London Eye, and many other attractions a user can visit if they choose to fly to London. If the user is happy with their choice of destination, they can then tap the View Flight Info button to proceed to the flight selector page. If not, they can navigate back to the home page using the home icon in the navigation bar or the back button at the top of the city page. We will now move on to the flight selector page.
The flight selector page is at the heart of Aero Atlas. From here, users are able to enter a destination and origin of their choosing. Entries can be made using the first 3 letters of a city name or with an IATA code for the relevant airport. The drop-down menu below opens an interactive calendar, allowing users to select their preferred date of travel. By selecting the Search Flights button in the center of the page, Aero Atlas then sets about returning the best flights for the dates and locations provided. This is achieved using Amadeus API. The returned flights can then be viewed in a scrollable interface below. As an added feature, Aero Atlas features a randomizer tab. Accessible via the navigation bar, the randomizer button takes users to a new page. From here, pressing the Find Your Next Getaway button will allow the app to select any city from the database to display to the user. All of the usual actions can then be performed, allowing users to continue to book flights with a suggested destination.
The user login page can be accessed using the profile button located on the far right of the navigation bar. The subsequent page will request users to log in using existing credentials or to create a new account. For this demonstration, we'll assume our user has not already registered an account with Aero Atlas. Let's go ahead and register a new email address and password. Aero Atlas will need to verify that the input is valid, ensuring that the email address follows the normal structure and that the password is over 5 characters long. If any of the details entered are incorrect, Aero Atlas will inform the user as to the nature of their error. Once the correct details have been entered, the account is created and the user is redirected to the app homepage in a logged-in state. In the event that the user has previously created an account, they are able to use the details on the login page. Once again, the username and password needs authenticating, and any errors made by the user will result in a text pop-up detailing the issue.
Once a user is logged into Aero Atlas, either by creating a new account or using previously specified credentials, the profile button located in the far right of the navigation bar will now allow access to the user profile page. From here, users are able to track their recent purchase history, amend their details, or log out of Aero Atlas. Future plans for Aero Atlas include geolocation services for tailoring the user experience, a summary page so that users are able to view the details of their selected flight, and a confirm booking function that will redirect users to a third-party booking website to complete their reservation. Thanks for taking the time to view our video presentation of Aero Atlas. We hope you have enjoyed this demo.